Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Today we will read Inkwell, Green Step, Class 5, Chapter 9, Exploring Our Universe. Space is the vast and limitless region beyond the Earth's atmosphere. The sun, moon and stars are all heavenly bodies. Our Earth is also a heavenly body. It is also called the planet. This is because when astronauts saw the Earth from the space, it looks blue due to the presence of water. The universe includes the Earth, sun, moon, stars, planets, and all the other heavenly bodies in the space. It includes everything that exists in nature. Exploring our universe and space to know about the heavenly bodies that exist there is known as space exploration. The sky looks different during the daytime and night. On a clear sunny day, we can see the sun in bright blue sky. During the clear night, we can see the moon and the numerous stars in the sky. However, if you see the sky through a telescope, you will find that some stars appear to move in shape and form an interesting pattern. These group of stars, which forms an interesting pattern, is called constellation. Some constellations look like the figures of animals, human beings, or some familiar objects. Some of the most well-known constellations are Ursa Minor, Ursa Major, Leo, and Scorpius. The Solar System. Sun is our nearest star. It gives us heat and light. The sun appears to move from east to west. The heavenly body that revolves around the sun along a fixed path is called a planet. There are 8 planets. Planets are heavenly bodies which do not have light of their own. They shine because they reflect the sunlight. Each planet goes round the sun in a fixed path which is called orbit. The sun and its 8 planets forming a family is called a solar system. The names of the planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Mercury is closest to the sun and Venus is the second closest planet. Mars is closest to the Earth. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. The planets do not twinkle like the stars as they do not have light of their own. Venus is seen in the sky either at sunset or at sunrise as a bright object. It is also called Shukra. The red planet is Mars. Satellites. Smaller heavenly bodies called moons revolve around some of the planets. They are also called natural satellites. Some satellites in the sky are artificial. The man-made satellites are called artificial satellites. They have been sent up by scientists for different purposes. Artificial satellites are used for many purposes. Some of their uses are: communication satellites are used to transmit long-distance telephone called, that is STD and ISD, and television programs around the world. Weather satellites are used for weather forecasting. This information is used to warn people about floods, cyclones, storms, etc. Space satellites are used to study heavenly bodies like stars, planets, moon, etc. Spacecraft. Astronauts travel in space in spacecraft or space shuttle. Discovery and Columbia are well-known space shuttles. A vehicle which is designed to go out of the Earth's atmosphere and travel through space is called a spacecraft. The spacecraft could be a manned one or an unmanned one, depending on the function this spacecraft is meant to perform. Space probes are those spacecrafts that are used to study various heavenly bodies. To study a heavenly body, they either land on it or revolve around it. The Voyager spacecraft has sent photographs of all the planets of our solar system from a very close range. Some telescopes are permanently stationed in the space to observe various heavenly bodies. The Hubble Space Telescope is one of them. A space station is a permanent port in the space where the astronauts stay and carry out various scientific experiments related to space. Currently, the International Space Station (ISS) is the only space station where the astronauts live and conduct scientific experiments in the space. Chandrayaan-1 is the first Indian spacecraft to orbit the moon and survey its surface with highly specialized equipment. It was blasted off successfully from Sriharikota, Chennai on 22 October 2008. Aerial view of the Earth. The Earth is a big solid sphere. It is made up of land, water and air. If we look at the Earth from outer space, the land masses look brown, the water areas look blue, and the clouds in the sky look white. The Earth is turning around on its axis all the time. This movement is called rotation. Day and night on the Earth are caused because the Earth rotates on its axis. The half of the Earth that faces the sun has day, while the other half has night. Some great astronauts who created history. On 3rd April 1984, squadron leader Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to go into space. He, along with 2 Russian astronauts, went into space in a spacecraft named Soyuz T-11. Kalpana Chawla was the first India-born woman to go into space on 19 November 1997 in Columbia, a US space shuttle. The record of spending the longest time in space by a woman is held by Sunita Williams, who is of Indian origin. She holds the record of the longest space flight, 125 days, among female space travelers. She also walked out of her space shuttle Atlantis into space for a short space walk. On 12 April 1961, Major Yuri Gagarin was the first man to go into space. On 16 June 1963, Valentina Tereshkova was the first woman to go into space. Both of them are Russians. On 21 July, Neil Armstrong was the first man to land on the moon. So students, I hope you all understand and read this chapter once again and do exercises. Thank you so much.